It's time now to go inside innovation, brought to you by DMI. Well, Carmel-based Allegion Ventures is on the hunt for potential portfolio companies. A new $50 million corporate venture fund launched in March will target early-stage startups developing innovative technologies and products, in particular in the security field. Now, the man leading the fund is a recognized leader in the IoT space, Allegion Ventures President Rob Martins. And Rob, welcome to the program.
Thanks for having me, Gary. Great to be here.
Let's talk about, first of all, for folks who don't know about Allegion, the company has a substantial presence here, a spin out really from a familiar name, Ingersoll Rand.
Yeah, absolutely. So in 2013, Allegion was formed, as you said, spinning out from Ingersoll Rand, and our America's headquarters is actually in Carmel. Yeah. We're a $2.5 billion security and safety company. We have about 10,000 employees globally serving customers in over 30 countries.
Yeah, and a major presence, as you say, right here in central Indiana. Let's talk about this corporate venture fund, a $50 million fund. That is a significant commitment and has the potential to be very positive. I mean, you could be looking for investment all over the world, really, but could be very advantageous for Indiana.
No, absolutely, and we think Indiana, especially the central Indiana area, is really a hotbed for technology right now. You know, thanks to organizations like TechPoint, Mike Langolier, especially what we've seen from the High Alpha team, Eric Tobias, Mike Fitzgerald, Christian Anderson, and Scott. Incredible energy and a lot of things going on, and you take that and add along the IoT lab that Mayor Fadness and John Wexler have gotten out there, and it's just a crucible for great things to happen. All
right, let's talk about the fund and the kinds of investment you're going to be looking for.
Sure, so it's a very targeted fund. This is actually the brainchild of our CEO and chairman, Dave Petratus. Historically, corporate venture funds have been a little heavy, maybe a little bureaucratic, onerous for an entrepreneur or small business. Our idea was to be lightweight, and regardless of what stage you might be in terms of talking with us, really want to add value to you, whether it's sharing a special skill that we have in manufacturing, making connections for you, or the like. Fundamentally, our focus is on people and asset flow, and identifying emerging technologies that can help us tell a better narrative around security and safety.
And you really want, as we were talking off camera, you really want this to be a different kind of fund, right?
Absolutely. We're very interested in investing in companies where we can share our core expertise. We think there's a lot of capital out there. If you look, you'll find the capital. But what's more important is the collaboration and the partnership, and from our standpoint, the discovery. There's a lot of ways that Allegion can work with you. It doesn't necessarily have to be in the form of a capital infusion, although, if you need that and it's a great fit, we can do it.
Yeah, from a timeline standpoint, I think you launched the fund in March. What do you look at in terms of your first investments?
So our pipeline is very robust. So we've had well over 50 companies that we've had conversations with. Some of those have been local. And obviously Allegion's a global company, so a great blend. And I will tell you that Central Indiana has some very competitive technology and very competitive entrepreneurs.
Very good. We'll be following the story, to be sure. A $50 million corporate venture fund, Allegion Ventures. Rob Martins, thanks very much. We'll no doubt talk to you soon.
Sounds great. Thank you.